To add variants to a product in Shopify, start by logging into your admin dashboard and navigating to the Products section. Select the product you wish to edit or create a new one by clicking the Add Product button. Scroll down the product details page until you find the Variants section. If this is a new product, you will typically see a checkbox labeled, "This product has multiple options," like size or color. Check that box to unlock the variant configuration fields. You will now see an option to add your first variant type, typically labeled Option 1. Enter a name for the variant attribute, such as size or color. In the text field below the name, type the individual values separated by commas, for example, small, medium, large. If you need a second set of options, like a color variant, click Add Another Option and define Option 2 with values like red, blue, green. Shopify will automatically generate every possible combination of these values, saving you the manual work. Once your combinations are generated, scroll through the list to refine the details for each specific variant. You can adjust the price, SKU, inventory quantity, and weight per unit if these specs differ from the main product listing. If a particular combination does not exist, such as a large size in a fabric you no longer stock, simply hover over that row and click the delete icon to remove that specific variant from your store. You can also click the image icon in each row to upload a unique product photo that changes when a shopper selects that option on your storefront. Before saving, ensure the checkbox next to each active variant is selected. If you want to organize your variant list without creating a separate product, click and hold the 6-dot grid handle next to a variant to drag and drop it into the preferred display order. When you are satisfied with the pricing, inventory levels, and media for each combination, click the Save button at the bottom or top of the page. Your product page will now display the variant selection fields, allowing customers to cycle through the different options you created.